In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign a pre-module assessment to students. In the last video, we learned how to add the pre-module to our tracker, so now we're taking the next step. Again, if you want to pause and go through these steps on your own, feel free, or you can follow along with me. First, I wanted to show you, in case you closed Mastery Connect from the last video, how to get back to the pre-mod assessment in your tracker. So, the easiest way I found is to go to this assessment tab again, to look up the same test you assigned. Again, go to add to tracker, and then it says already in trackers. So once I click that tracker, it will take me right back to where I left off. All right, now to actually assign it to students and to assess them is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is go up to this little assess button and click that. It's going to pop up this screen and give you a lot of useful information. Now, it's going to give you the link that students will use to actually go and take the test. Now, what I've done in the past is I use a QR code to have them go to that link. Then it will also give you a test ID. This number, students will have to type in this number, so you'll want to save that number. Okay? Now, there's one other piece of information on this page that you're going to need to know. It's actually on this page. Students, each student, so for example, Michaela, has a student number, a 6-digit student number. You're going to need that to save that some way, okay? So I'm going to show you what I did to help my students access this assessment. So here's an example of what you could do for your students to help them easily access the test. So this QR code is the link that I showed you earlier. It's always going to be the same link. It's just the link that Mastery Connect uses for students to take a test. So that will never change. Then that 6-digit testing ID number. Now, remember, if you're taking 2 different tests, you'll want to need 2 testing IDs on here. And then I just cut and snip my students' names and their number right from Mastery Connect. I found that to be the easiest way. And so it's just 3 steps they have to follow, and it leads them right to taking the test. So in the next video, I'm going to show what it looks like from their perspective.